Test 1, 2, test. Microphone. Okay, test 1, 2, audio check. Sorry guys, give me 1 sec here. All right, okay, I think we're working. Let's get started with today's stream. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Lock. Okay, interesting PA for today. Focus today is going to be on the following. We got highs above us, lows below us. It'd be nice to see longs today. Perfect. So this is where we have liquidity for today. These are gonna be my targets for the session. Let's risk 2. We got liquidity here above us, London highs. We got a bearish fair value gap or RTH gap of how many points? 100. So we're opening in What I'm not liking here is Asia lows, London lows. Actually, technically, London lows have been taken. Let's see how price is going to react here. We do want to see price just blast through. There you go. Perfect. Let's wait for first presentation today. Has it happened? The answer is it took out a lot of liquidity from the open here. So today's going to be, I'm liking this level here. Let's call this first presentation today. So it's going to be first presentation fair value gap. This is going to be Friday, New York, 9/11. Okay. Do I want to take longs right now? I don't. I need to see liquidity taken first. Like below us here on the 5-minute. I can't really see it because I'm blocking it, but we have a lot of sell side liquidity below us, like a lot of it. And overall, I'm liking the buy side above us. So that we have two ranges above and below. What we need to wait for is, midpoint has almost been taken from an RTH perspective. And what we need to do is see how price is going to react here. It's a nice rejection off of the lower half of the RTH gap here. This is going to be for me first presentation, but it doesn't really matter. If this closes nicely, then first presentation is going to be around this area. If it's going to be the 930 candle or the 932 candle, I'm okay with that. Let's see if we're going to get a drive lower here. I might take a little small short here as that was the Judah swing. Let's see if it's going to close below here. And if it is, something that might be of interest is like something like this here. Yeah, but we'll see. I like how it tried pushing above Monday's New York first presentation and it failed to do so. Bodies are still being respected in the first presentation, so we're going to wait a bit more. I want to see this level invert. rejection off of this level right here. Let's see how the 15-second is holding up against this level. Yeah, let's wait for a bit more here. We're just 5 minutes after the open. No news today. We got to watch out for that. I am going to take a little short here. I'm liking the rejections off of this level. My stop loss is above. It's going to be at 942. And let's see if we can catch a quick short. I'm targeting this level right here. It's going to be a 1 to 1.5 trade. I'm liking how we're breaking this level right here. I think the stop loss is at a relatively good level here. If it hits 942, then so be it. But so far I'm waiting for a push lower here to take out these relative equal lows here on the 5-minute chart, on the 1-minute chart. A lot of good levels below us. So this is the Judah here. And pushing lower. It is Friday. Price is a bit finicky on Friday, so do watch out for that as well. So we got in at 922 here. The 1 hour shaping up nicely for a nice, rejection of the new week opening gap. We got the 15-minute chart. It's pushing higher, failing to do so, and let's see if we can tag at least the 920 low here. That's going to be our target. Is it being copied? Yes, it is. Okay. I'm going to move my stop loss above this high right here. So my stop loss is sitting right here now. Can it go lower than this? Yeah, probably, but we got Monday's afternoon first presentation below us as well. So this is going to be a nice little level to hit. This is going to be 350 for me once it hits. I'm at break even now. I don't want to see this going. Yo, you got a #1 crown on you. That's sick. What's up, Alex? How much are you risking? For this trade, I risked 200. And it's going to be 350 profit. So it's 1.5 to 1. Not a crazy RR, but that's my minimum. Ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. There you go. That's how you do it. Nice first trade of the day. Nice, nice, nice. 280, 280, and these guys are sitting at 1.5K. Okay. Hey Alex, how you been doing, man? Where can it go? It might actually hit these levels right here. But again, we have Monday's first afternoon presentation here. Not a good day yesterday. That's not good. That's not good. Back to the drawing board. Did you blow some accounts? Yesterday for me was a strong day. I managed to lock in just over 1,000 per account. The morning had some sick, like we can review PA maybe later on today, but I think yesterday's PA was pretty clean. This in Asia, that's okay. That's okay. Listen, Sweep of one, Sid Carney. That's exactly what we want to see. Like these levels right here, that'd be perfect. If that happens, then we're gonna be looking for longs here. And this target right here, London highs especially, that's what I want to target. And Asia highs, even better. So we might try to pull like a really big trade today. But like, so Alex, you know, it's just 2 accounts, man. They're $50 each. Activations like it's nothing. It's pennies. So don't sweat it. Take it as a learning exercise. Did you go until Alex? Yeah, hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, because like let's look at like the daily time frame. Like this is what the daily's doing. We're below the new week opening gap. We took out, like we're pushing right now into this bullish order block here from the daily perspective. Okay, we took out yesterday's low. We took out Wednesday's low, and then we got these 2 lows below us. But honestly, it'd be great to see price just go a bit lower, and then start pushing higher to take out highs. Okay, 4-hour perspective. Again, this high is nice. Liquidity has been taken below us. Again, it's just probability at this point. This was nice. This level I was looking at yesterday, 22,844. But the one time I'm not home and not trading Asia, and I rarely trade Asia, is it just collapsed within 1 hour to take out these lows. So that's that. Crypto is pumping like fucking insane, guys. Hopefully you guys hold crypto. All right. How much do you risk on? I just do $200. And then once, and it's kind of like how I'm feeling on that day too. Like today, I'm feeling okay, but I'm not feeling like super locked in on price action, and that's when I risk 200. But if it's above that, then I start risking 10% of my exit phase. So if they're sitting at 3K, I'll do 300. If it's 4K, it's at 400. Usually I do payout requests at 4K, and then I'm back at 200 per trade. So I'm kind of hurting myself, but again, I want to get paid, and I start reinvesting that into other stuff. So yeah. The moment that you miss Alex shit in the morning, like put this on a piece of paper. Like if you miss great trades in the morning and price really moved in the morning, the afternoon most likely is going to be shit. And it was shit yesterday. Like yesterday, my trades were, let's see if I have them mapped out here. This was my trade yesterday. This trade was, I took it around like 11:22. It was the lunchtime macro, right? Price dropped from the open, reversed. On the 5-minute, looks really nice here. Look at this, guys, on the 5-minute. Oh, nice. It's all mapped here still. Look how nicely this 5-minute bullish fair value gap has been respected. And when I saw it like doing this and pushing above, that's when I took it. Where did I take it to? Wednesday's first presentation. I just pick first presentations that are closest to me, that make sense from an RR perspective, and that's my target. Could I have pushed this a bit higher? Yeah. But if I held it, probably I could have gotten double, but I'm a short-term trader. Like if I see 2-to-1s or 3-to-1s, I take them. So those are the trades. Said, yeah, I am. I would like in the near future, I'm going to do a 20 Apex run where I'll do all 20 at once. A lot of my close friends are trading Apex and they're getting payouts. I was a bit sketched out by them, but my next attempt is going to be to take 5K and just to do a 20 Apex pass. And I think the easiest way is just to find high impact news and just go just full on it. Because the trailing drawdown is very difficult on Apex, at least for me. The amount of times I couldn't pass my evaluations because of that trailing stop loss is insane. Like, it's gonna hit your target, but if it pulls back just a bit, you're done. So we'll do 20, 150K counts, and then I'll take you guys on that journey from like day one all the way to hopefully final payout. So once you get them above 6K, then it's 40K every 8 trading days, which is sick. Let's see what you guys think. Apex payouts can be huge because of exactly. So I think like over the last week, guys, sorry, I just wasn't live trading. I trade better on my own, but since I'm up this week, I'm like, let's do some live trading. Maybe some of that will pass on to live trading. So that's that, guys. Yeah, said Carney, how you trading? I don't think I've talked to you recently or at all on this channel unless you change your name, but what kind of accounts are you running right now? Are you still learning ICT, or clearly you're not if you said that we're wanting to go long once we get Asia lows swiped, which is what I'm looking at, but where are you out in your journey, Sade? And like, do you see why, guys? I took my stop loss here. Like, look what price is doing. Like, it's hitting, again, a key fair value gap Monday's afternoon. Could I have held it lower? Probably, right? But I knew this area would be troublesome. So it's either breaks through and keeps going or it reverses. And I'm like, let me take my 1.5 to 1. And like on my next trade, I can technically risk 350 or even like 600, right? Like use my 1%, like my 10% plus my gains, and I can try getting like a 1.5K next trade if I get a 2 to 1, right? So that's how you scale, I think, the best way in these accounts. You live in London. I got longs on NASDAQ, 2269 long from there. 22695. Oh shit. 22695. When did you catch the 22695? When did you take 2265? I'm trying to find that price right now at 2265. Are you like swing trading this or something? If you manage to grab this long, that's pretty sick. It's pretty sick. Okay. Next trade, guys. This is what I'm thinking. Okay, let's look at the landscape here. Price right now, it rejected the lower half of the RTH gap. It never actually got to, sorry, the mean threshold of consequent encroachment. I don't know if RTH gap is. Gaps are consequent encroachment. So it almost got to CE here, failed, dropped lower, grabbed the lows. Like, what are these lows here? Did it grab the lows from 650? It didn't, but it grabbed all the lows from 7 o'clock and onwards, which is nice to see. And now it's pushing higher. So what it did is, look, it left relative equal lows for us here, right there. I'm a bit sketched out, to be honest, right? So pre 930 lows have been taken. So 7 to 930. London, I don't know. I think it's been taken, right? From like this candle here, right? Because London for me is 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock at least. So looking at the 1 minute chart here, look, 6 o'clock, that's London lows. It kind of took it off right away and then started pushing higher. We're about to push above today's first presentation. So we did have a sweep. We're pushing above key levels here. I know it's very messy on the chart here, but trust me, all these levels are important. Like this one, maybe we can get rid of. What's this one? 7, 8. Can we get rid of this one too? Yeah, let's get rid of this one too. We don't need it. And then, oh, you take NAS, yeah. And then like we're back into Monday's first presentation, which we have to key off of, and today's first presentation. So if we see a break above here, oh man, can we go higher? Like I'm inclining, like, guys, this is not a great trade, and I'm probably not going to take it, but like this is like the next level I'm looking at, London highs, right? Is it going to pump there? Like if I take price, yeah, I don't know. Like what I would have to see is a break higher, create some kind of like double top on the 1 minute, come back lower, invert this area, and then I'll take it long. That would give me confidence, right? But taking it long here after this pump, that's called chasing price. So let's see, CFD, that's why I started the confusion. Oh, quick pump to the upside. Wow, yeah. We gotta be patient, guys. We gotta be patient. What's my... Oh shit, my balance is 2.6K on this one. Okay. I almost have a payout for one of my accounts. Oh, okay, balance. Okay, there you go. Price will expand to go to Asia high. See, and said, you said the word feel. I feel that too, but like we need confirmation. So, we need confirmation. Okay, 5 minute. How's it looking like? Honestly, like this is pretty sick. Like, look, you got this right here is called balanced price range, right? What's a balanced price range? It's when we have a BTC and a SIBI up at both sides. They're both balanced. The paint roller went through both sides, right? We pushed higher. Okay. Yeah, and you know what? That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, you know, said it's tough. It's a tough move right now. I'm sidelined right now, but to be honest, the trades that make it, like they just scream in front of your face. Okay, so right now, price it cut through first presentation, came back down, rejected it. It's going to close above Monday's first presentation. It already did on the 15-second chart. What is it going to be here if I take it here? The RR has to make sense. It has to be like at least a 2 to 1, 1.5 to 1. I want to see price come back down and just like really show me that it's like not going to go lower. Then I'll push higher, and then I'm going to risk a bigger size. Let's do 300 risk, 600 profit. Okay. We just need this level to invert. My biggest weakness of trading, and I know what it is, and it's really hard to fix. It's when I take like 3 losses in a low within like 5 minutes, because I'm certain that price is going to hit a specific level. My mind goes into like account blowing mode. And I just blow accounts. Like I can go from like 7K of balance to 0 within like 20 minutes. It's mental. It's just one of my flaws. It's called the 1-day account blowing. Like you can see like a steady equity curve for like days and weeks, and then within 1 day, I just lose it. So there's ways of going about it, right? Just setting physical stop losses on your account, but I haven't done that yet for some reason. So give price a bit more here. We're okay. So we're in the macro. When the macro start? 950. Okay. So we're in the macro right now till 1010. After 1030 today, I'm not trading. I'll tell you that right now. So there's one more trade left in me to trade. And I just fucked something up here. Reset layout. I lost my buy and sell buttons. Okay. So this is nice. That's a nice rejection, to be honest, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do if it's gonna push, it's gonna push now. We're in the macro here. I'm gonna do a small buy here. $976. $976. Okay. I'm doing a 1-to-1 here, guys. I might bring up my stop actually to there. I don't want to see it break this level. I'm going to pretend that this is first presentation here, even though I think it's here. Let's have stop below here. It's going to be a 2-to-1. We're trying to take London highs here. Let's see if we're going to get it. The moment I see it turning around at this level, I'm going to break even. Just like, new week opening gap high. The reason why I'm only risking 200 right now is just because, it's I'm not crazy about this price. If this hits target, I'm done trading for the day. Oh, frick. There's the volume. Huge kick of volume. I'm tempted to break even now, but I might get stopped out at break even, so I'm going to leave it. I think price most likely is going to hit London highs. Is it going to retrace back to like my stop loss? I don't think so. I'm pretty confident in this trade right now. 2-to-1 incoming. Sad. I'll probably say like around like 45,000 since December. Nothing crazy. I wish that number could be higher, but yeah. I just need to kind of break how much I'm risking and try to push higher numbers. But I feel like my my overall edge still can be fine-tuned, and it's so much easier to do that risking 200, 300 versus like 500, 600, at least in my opinion. So far this is looking good. On the 5-minute, that's looking freaking great. And then most likely, I just want to make sure I don't mess. Okay, so I'm targeting 976.75. Okay, 976.50. Okay, so a quarter of a point below that, just to make sure that it doesn't do anything funny. And then right now, watch this level, the new week opening gap high. If this rejects, it just might come back lower, and that's when I'm going to go to stop break even. We're about to break consequent encroachment of RTH gap to the upside. If this hits, this is going to be a $900 day for me, which I will take times 5K. There you go. There you go. Keep pushing. This is looking good, guys. This is looking good. We're at midnight open right now. Careful. I'm going at break even right now. So this is where my stop loss is. I might move it back down. Stop loss. That's where my stop loss is, where that red line is. Let's go. Let's go. Keep going. I think it's good. Where can price go to after this if it breaks it? It can realistically hit Asia highs. I should have risked more. Oh my gosh. Dun, 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 dun. You guys using Apex? TOPSTEP. What do you guys use? What a nice trading day. Even if it breaks even here, I'll be happy. I just like this initial push. Okay, it's stalling here. Why are you stalling? It's about to touch midnight open. You know what a better target would be? The new week opening gap high. Like that's like the ultra safe. So like if you guys want to take like 80% of your position off, you can do it here at 970. I might do that, to be honest. And now it's going to retrace probably before the final push higher. But again, we got like so many nice levels below us. Like look at all these little fair value gaps that have formed with this gapping here. Like all these gaps. This is good. This is bullish PA, guys. So 1 minute, very healthy. 5 minute healthy. Everything's healthy here. Do you think price just might turn around and just drop lower and then back higher? It could. But right now, it's for me, it's 400 or 0. I just don't want to go. Here, I'm moving my stop loss actually a bit below. It just doesn't, I don't feel safe here. I'll put it below mean threshold of first presentation. That I don't want to see it broken. Usually like once you move your stop loss, you shouldn't move it. Like if you're like a beginner, just like leave it, make it stay. There you go. I touched that. Okay. I don't want to see it break that. Okay. I'm liking this. It's looking good, boys and gals. It shouldn't retrace farther than this. I wouldn't want to see it go into this fair value gap here that I've marked, just because I want that to be a breakaway gap, right? Showing bullish pressure, leaving it fully open, and seeing that push higher. If you guys have it in you, you guys can trail this. Like another great levels here. Like I think price is going to hit this. Is it going to hit this in the AM session? See that? I don't know. Frick, it just hit new week opening gap high. I'm not going to scale out. If I would have scaled out, it had to be at 970. So this is where we might get screwed over now. I want to see it break this level and go to the upside. Price will hit it. It's just, is it going to hit my stop loss before it hits TP? Like my stop loss level is okay. It's not great. But like, would I want to risk a loss at this bounce here? I don't think I would, right? It hit 1.5 R on a trade and leaving even half R. I think it'd be foolish. So I don't know. Capital preservation, right? But so far it's looking good. Yeah, stops at a decent level. It's going back into these gaps here, which are volume imbalances, which is good, right? 15-minute looks very bullish. 5-minute looks bullish. 1 minute looks bullish. 1 hour looks bullish. How much was I chasing here additionally? Half an hour. You know what? I will be more confident if my stop loss is here. I'm going to protect myself with one more fair value gap. There you go. That should be okay. Come on, turn around price. That target there, you left it. You left for the taking. And this is when uncertainty meets my trading strategy. Just gotta let it play out. Nothing we can do here. So far, like this is still healthy, like a healthy retracement. It's not big candles, it's small candles, right? It's really struggling to push lower. It's not creating any fair value out to the downside, which is good, right? Okay, touch that fair value up there. I might scale in, to be honest, guys. If I see a nice rejection of this, I'm just going to scale in and just keep it at break even at the low. This is where we want to see a turnaround now. Perfect. There you go. I scaled in. My stop right now is below this low here. This wick shouldn't be broken. So right now, my stop loss is right here. It's at 100 risk. So if it hits me out, minus 100. If it hits target, it's 600. So that's my new risk parameters. Hands off now at this point. Oh. If it's going to break it, it's going to dig deeper into Monday's first presentation. We're still in the macro for 4 more minutes. Once it pushes higher above this candle, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. Come on, price. There's nothing here left for you. I scaled in a bit more right now. I'm risking 160 once it breaks this. Attaboy. Attaboy price. Stop losses right below that bullish candle there. There you go. I'm at break even now. Where's my break even? Somewhere here. Bit more. There's no reason for you to go back down so low again. Unless you just want to manipulate me and then push higher. Fuck. I'm 1 tick away from breaking even on this trade. This is not a nice rejection on the 1 minute. Right now, we just want to see a turnaround. $15-second, not showing me much. It needs to turn around right now. Ah! Going in again. I'm set on this level here. Here's my second position in. Using all my... Oh. Can't believe. Fucking price, man. 276. Okay, attempts 2 here. Good close on the 1 minute. Great close on the 5 minute. All right, I'm risking. It's a 2-to-1 here again. Jeez, am I going to be taken out once more? And see, I got tilted from freaking this trade right here. It's fucking NQ. Oh boy. All right. It might be a break-even day for me, and I'm just going to cut my losses in 277. Okay, let's go. Risking 250 for 500 here. Man, this candle would have been a huge win. Frustrating. Okay, this should be it here. This should be it. That was the manipulation leg on the 1 minute chart. Now let's see a break. See, remember when I said like the new week opening gap high is the better target? That should have been the target, guys. That should have been the target. Okay, 42. I'm slowly moving my stop loss up. It's below this Wix candle low here at 42. You know what it did? It just touched Monday's first presentation and then bounced higher. And that should give it the strength to push higher. Slightly cheesed here. 5 minutes it's starting to close green. 77. What's this target again? I got to make sure it's correct in TOPSTEP. 76.75. 76.75. Three-minute fair value gap holding. I can look at the 3 minute, but screw that fair value gap. Oh, it's consolidating now. We left the macro. Okay, whatever. It's a 2-to-1 trade. I think it's gonna go up here. I don't think it's gonna go back down. Like this was the manipulation. And sorry, where's my target? It's right there. Frustrating day, guys. I'm should hit target at this point. I'm gonna go to break even soon. I don't want to see it go back down to this level here. I'm risking 150 now for 500. And I'm going to break even. The moment it touches this new week opening gap high again, I'm going to break even. But price might just blast through this. Okay, I'm at break even. Here, I'm going to cheat a bit here. I'm doing 15-second. So once it hits this level of 77, we're going to be doing some 15-second trailing drawdown. Oh, did it hit my level? No, it didn't. Not yet. Okay. Now watch this. Let's see if I can trail this on a 15-second time frame to Asia highs. It would be a good idea to take some kind of partials. All right. Come on, come on. Bit more, bit more. I just tagged it right now. Okay. Okay, 250. Okay, I'm starting the trail right now. Stop loss is at 300. It's on a 15-second chart, guys. I can't show it to you right now. I might get tagged out in a second now, but that's okay. No, it looks good. I want to see price right now. If it's correct, I wanted to blast through this level and keep going to Asia highs. Asia highs are at what level? 47. It's gonna be a huge trade if it just keeps going up here. And price image does that. So I'm like, so 150 is essentially off the table here. I should have taken profit at the highs for full 500, but right now I'm trailing at 300 profit. And then I'm going to try to pull this all the way till Asia highs, assuming that it's going to be a very strong bullish run. 23.45. Beautiful. Okay, 350 right now is my trail. 345. Okay. And I'm just trailing below what? 15-second bullish order blocks. I just don't want to see the 15-second flow being broken. It's really hard to update you guys real time. Okay, good. My stop loss is right here right now. So it's like, if I'm wrong on this, I make 300. If I'm right, it's 1.8K. And I might be tapped out in just a second now. Hopefully not. Come on. There you go. It survived. Frick yes. Okay. Keep pushing higher. I like that bounce off of that new week opening gap high. Really nice. And off of that bounce, that's where we're going to have our stop loss. If it wants to bounce once more, whatever, we're out. So 337 is my stop loss now, right there. And let's see if we can make 1.8K per account. Yes, yes. Push higher, baby. Okay, 360. Now this is the moment it gets up to here, it's like we make money. Okay, all right, we've locked in 400. All right, so where are we trailing to, boys? Asia highs, baby. We're gonna partial out a bit at RTH highs. So 302. 302. I might see some resistance there. Okay. My trail is at 22973. Yeah, 3 viewers. Nice. We're all, if you guys took this, we're all making money. All I need is 3 viewers. All I need is 1 viewer. How much did you risk on this trade? 250. I might take a part. So right now I have $400 locked in. Nah, I'm not gonna scale out. I'm just gonna let it rip. It's gonna be my Friday. Sometimes you see crazy things on Friday, like all of cryptos coming up. No, oh, not liking the 15-second now. Survive. Okay, now I want to see it push higher. Now it hit the 1 minute bullish order block there that you see. And then once it pushes higher, our stop loss will go right there. Okay, that's where it's gonna go. If it does turn around here. Beautiful. It's pushing away from it. And we're like, a deep retracement means the idea is over. Even though that might be right. July afternoon first presentation fair guy, like 7-1. So right here, it can push to this level. Right now, it's struggling to get above the 3rd quadrant of the RTH gap. It really is struggling. Okay. 975 is my new stop loss right here. For 450. So my initial trade idea, this is how much money I would have roughly made. So I make 450 in the next couple of seconds, or it just keeps going higher. Come on. Oh, 450. Imagine if I didn't get stopped out on my first trade. Would have been a lot higher. And I might be stopped out any second now. Oh, okay. Guys, I think that's it for today. I think that's it, guys. It's 10:20. Hopefully all of you made profit today. Right. Like the bias is pretty clear since the morning. We were right on it with the Judah swing. Right. And then once it broke these key levels, where's price most likely going to go? It's going to go higher. I'll tell you that right now. Like that's my overall bias. But because it's 10:20 on a Friday, I made profit. What's this account sitting at now? 1 second. I always hide my balance because I don't want to see it. Oh no. All right, 3K. Nice. Save. Okay. All right. So my accounts are at 3K. One more K, and I'm doing a 2K payout for 10,000, and then back to 2K. Maybe on my next payout, I'm gonna push myself and get my accounts to maybe 5 or 6K, and then take out 50%. So, said Carney, did you catch anything? If you guys like this stream, like feel free to like follow me, drop a like. I'd appreciate that. That is a currency of the channel. It really helps me keep me motivated to keep doing this. And I don't know, guys. I think like any questions from anyone before I drop off. Yeah, I'm smashing it. Yeah, today, yeah. But okay, guys. Guys, I might do 1 or 2 live streams next week. Probably on high probability trading days. And without further ado, take care, guys.